I'm a little bit older student, I'm 22, and I was really looking for a place that I could build my major. Surprisingly enough, that's kind of like the whole Antioch thing. I'm super into ecological restoration and social justice, and that isn't really an intersection that's found other places. And when I was looking through the course catalog of Antioch, I was like, wow, check, check, check. These are all the things that I'm interested in. Class sizes was really important to me. I didn't want to get lost in this sprawl of 200, 300 students. So there's this really intimate connection with the people here, and they're pretty stoked about making sure that students are doing what they want, but in a way that is going to be beneficial to them. Owning my education for me means not getting funneled through this state school experience where I have a degree that I'm probably kind of interested in, but there's a lot of things that aren't applicable to me, and then I hit the real world and I don't really know how to interact with it. I don't really know what I'm passionate about or what I'm chasing. The difference for Antioch is you come here and you have to know what you want. You have to come and say I'm interested in ecology because I want to see wetlands restored, or I'm interested in media arts because I want to become an Art Nouveau director. Having to choose that right off the bat makes you focus in on ways you wouldn't in other schools until your second, third, fourth year, if at all. So I think that's really unique and really important for knowing what you want and building the foundation the day that you get here to get that kind of education.